Okay, so let's rework our average program to make it an interactive while loop instead of for loop. So we don't need to ask user how many test scores they have anymore. We just need a total and we need a count variable set to 0. We also need another variable, more data, and set it to yes first to run it for at least one time. So as long as more data is yes, we're going to continue asking user to enter test scores. So while more data is equal to yes. If that's the case, we're going to ask for a test score. We're going to add score to the total. We're going to add x to the total. Then we're going to increase count by 1. And then we're going to ask for whether we have more data or not. So more data is equal to input, and then do you have more, instead of saying numbers, more test scores. So we take yes or no as an answer. So then we can say average is average divided by count. So let's see if this program works. Okay, so enter a test score, say 17. Do you have more test scores? Say yes, enter 80. Do you have more test scores? Yes. 90. Yes. 60. And then finally, when we say no, we should have an average of the test scores is 75.0.